peanuts. It's spider down the water spout. Down came away. It was a wind and out. Out came a sun and dry all away. It's the spider down the water came.
Isabel, how about doing the potty dance?
We put it up, and it rises up, and
Hula hoop. There's the potty dance.
Show us, Kelly. Show us how to do it.
I'm videotape right now.
Put your left hand out, and you're right on top. Then you let it drop, and do the hula hoop.
And do the potty dance. Put your knees together, and you cross your legs, and you shake it around, shake it around. Now you're doing the potty dance.
Pretty cool. Hooray!
Good job, Isabel.
Okay, now Isabel, now you hold out your hands and you say money.
Money.
Here's some money. Here you go.
Money. Money.
Money for you.
Money.
Take her to
Money.
the city.
Before you know it, she's going to be satisfied with his her, and it'll all be Auntie. Thank you very much.
Okay, Ted, now it's time for tea. Time for tea.
Stop.